person that's concerned about their financial well-being should probably learn about it.
Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what you do for a living?
I'm a retired land developer and home builder in Northwest Washington State.
What made you want to get into decentralized finance specifically?
Well, back in the summer when the world was crazy under Biden, I Tan's testimonial thing on the internet or something caught my attention, and so I called up. And you guys are masters at getting back to people and following through, and got piqued my interest, so I decided to try it.
What made you feel comfortable entering into a partnership with decentralized masters?
I just think Tan and the organization is approaching it from a professional financial analyst standpoint, since that's his training, and obviously he's a very bright man to have accomplished what he has at the early age, and the fact that you guys have all this online and educational help. I said, if I'm gonna ever do this, I can only do it with this kind of assistance, and so here I am trying it.
What are your thoughts on decentralized finance as an investment vehicle for the future?
Yeah, I think it is the answer. The fact that, obviously the United States government and US dollar people and aren't doing the right thing by just living on massive debt. And that ship's gonna not sail one of these days if they keep doing it. And so what are the alternatives? And I'm basically trying to figure that out.
What would you say to someone who is thinking about joining decentralized masters or getting into the decentralized finance space in general?
I think it's a thing, and I think any serious person that's concerned about their financial well-being should probably learn about it. And once I get through through the wall I'm currently right up against, then I'm on the other side. I might have a little better uh, testimonial about how it works. But I'm hopeful, and I'm going to proceed forward.